What's up, guys? JD Knowles here, Video Old Man. Welcome to the Aries Moto, the home of the quick and easy, also the home of the immigrant tool. And today we are replacing and fixing 2017 or 2016, I'm not sure, RAV4. It's been in a little bit of fender bender, as you can tell right here. The light is broken, and the gap right here, we're gonna be fixing the gap too. So there's like 3 things we need to do, and without further ado, I'm gonna hand it over to the old guy, old man. So the first thing first, are you gonna remove the bumper, or are you gonna take the light?
Inside bracket, you take the whole. You take the bumper.
So the bumper needs to be removed. What is that, 10 millimeter?
10
Yeah, that's a Phillips head screwdriver. And we have an introduction of another immigrant tool. Ta-da-da-da. Ta-da-da-da-da. Alright, so this is the old style. This is a clip removal tool that he made. I don't know if you can tell. It's being grinded down so it perfectly fits.
And then you see? That's it. So sometimes it's very hard to take. You broke and not go out.
Yeah, let me see that. Come on, zoom in. Zoom in. Almost. Okay.
If you don't have these tools, you never
Yeah, especially for those ones with the knob head. That is awesome. Yeah.
That's I make.
Alright, so you have to remove the bottom cover too. It's a 10 millimeter. Oh. See how that's already, yeah. It's a Phillips head.
It's flat screwdriver. Just move like this and take out.
So it's a half turn.
Maybe the other side. See, that's okay. Clips.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah, but this side is not hit, the other one side is
this
hit.
side is good. Another side.
Yeah.
Cannot go on. Now we remove the
Wheels.
Yes, to take the bolt for.
It's actually pretty easy. I thought it was gonna be much more complicated. This side is hit, that's why. And the bumper is pretty much off. The light on this side. The light is not popped out.
Lift it up to this side.
The fog lamp. See that side? This side, fog lamp. You need to disconnect. And the bumper is off.
That's a broke.
10mm and there's one on the side.
Bolt is here.
Inside. Oh, there's two bolts. And the light is out. And now you have to disconnect the marker light, the headlight, and the daytime running light and all that. There's so many lights.
That's a
LED. Alrighty, so that was kind of quick and easy. That was actually quick and easy. See the gap? Oh, a little gap. And gets bigger. The good thing is that every single one of them is a different connection.
Same thing.
But it's different for this, then that, so you can't really make a mistake connecting different ones.
Different. You never make it.
Yeah. It's a nice little safety feature.
That's an American car, American Ford, you see. Everything different. Different jack, different.
Yep. Now, you want to work it slowly. It's very tight. Take the light out, maybe you can see it inside.
It's a ground. Now make black.